It is Amanda Reimer here, and I just wanted to cut this quick video this morning to talk a little bit about the importance of building relationships. And this all kind of stems from, actually last night I was on my way home and I had the strange number calling me, and of course, so I answered it, which sometimes I don't always do, but I actually answered it, and it was Ray Higdon. And some of you might know who Ray Higdon is, but he is very well known in the network marketing industry and the internet marketing industry. He's made a lot of money in what he's doing, and he's just very successful, and he has a lot of great stuff to offer, has different products out. I've bought various products of his, and so he just has a lot of great things to offer. And I answered the phone, and he said, "Hey Amanda, this is Ray Higdon," and I was kind of thrown up, and I actually just laughed because I obviously wasn't expecting this call. But just a couple days ago, I actually bought one of his courses called The Power of the Mind, and he just was giving me a call and saying thank you for buying the course, and that he hoped that I enjoyed it. And I just thought that was very, it's not necessary for him to do that, and I'm sure he doesn't call every single person that ends up buying something. I maybe was just one of the random few. But really just the importance, I wanted to stress the importance of building relationships and just following up with people just like Ray did, or letting people know that you're a real person. And I think that's kind of my biggest point in all of this is, if you're trying to build a business online or whatever you might be doing, it is very important to build relationships and let people know that you are a real person, especially when you're building a business online, and you don't want to sit there and hide behind your computer. Because I've kind of had the same thing come up recently. On the end of my emails that I send to my list, I throw my picture on, maybe my phone number, or put my Facebook page. I kind of do different things each time, and I've had people connect with me various ways. But actually last week I had a guy called me, my new friend, his name's Mike. Mike called me, and I answered the phone, I said, "Hello, this is Amanda," and he was just like, he couldn't believe that I actually answered the phone, first of all. Second of all, that I was actually Amanda, that I was sending the emails as Amanda, and I answered the phone as Amanda, that it was actually me. And he just couldn't believe it, because he said he's on so many email lists, he's on, connected to so many different marketers, and just basically gets a ton of emails from a ton of different people, and he said most of them you don't know if the person is even a real person. And he really was just calling the number to see if there was an automated recording or something of that sort on the other end. He really just didn't expect to actually talk to a person. So it was kind of just, I was thinking about this and putting it all together, and I got the call last night from Ray. I just wanted to stress the importance of letting people know that you're a real person, if you are a real person, and if you're someone that actually wants to connect with people, because it really is a relationship business. Whether you're building relationships with people offline or you're building relationships with people online, it is about building relationships, and people do business or buy things from people they know, like, and trust, and sometimes it might take a couple minutes for someone to trust you, and maybe they join your team, or maybe it takes a couple days, maybe it takes a couple months, or even a couple years. It's different for everyone, but you can't just abandon building a relationship with someone because you aren't seeing an immediate sale from them or an immediate result, or you aren't getting anything from it, because you are getting something from it by building a relationship with them. And it's just the same as if you have an email list and you're emailing your list and you're sending them videos just like this, and letting them know that you're a real person, and letting them know that maybe you're going through some of the same struggles, or you're going through some of the same circumstances and situations, and people can relate to that. So just be real, be who you are, don't be someone that you aren't, but just be available for people, show people that you are a real person and that you do want to build a relationship with them. So I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.